Welcome to this video on the topic of binary and data. In this lesson, you'll learn how computer systems store image data using 1-bit binary encoding. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain how binary can be used to store image information. You'll be able to convert a black and white image into binary. And finally, you'll be able to convert binary back into a black and white image. Recall, digital computers operate with electricity. In a digital system, the electricity is either on or off. The presence of electricity may be used to represent the numbers 0 and 1. Recall, the binary number system has only two unique digits, 0 and 1. Thus, all numbers must be represented using these two digits. Modern computers have the ability to display images. The storage of images may be done using a format known as bitmap. A bitmap example is shown on the right here. The bitmap image is made from units of color called pixels. Notice how the bitmap image has been split into squares. Each square is a block of color. What we can see is a visualization of a pixel. Pixel information can be represented using binary numbers. A simple method for encoding pixel color could be setting all the black pixels to be represented with the number 0. And similarly, by getting all the white pixels and saying that white is represented with the number 1. Such an image would be called a 1-bit bitmap image because each pixel can be stored in a single bit of memory. The bitmap image may be stored as a stream of bits. So if we have our bitmap image over here and all the numbers that represent this image, we can break it up. The image on the right can be represented in its binary form, as shown now. Notice that the image can still be seen. However, reordering it like a computer would store it, what we get is the data that's been serialized into a stream of bits. What happens is that all the spaces are removed to form a single continuous binary number. This is how a bitmap image is stored within a computer. Now, in summary, at the start of the lesson, the intention was set to learn how computers store image data using 1-bit binary encoding. By now, you should be able to explain how binary can be used to store image information. You should be able to convert black and white images into binary. And finally, you should be able to convert binary into black and white images. To consolidate this information, to become proficient with today's learning, you have two tasks. The first one is to complete the task sheet, Fun with Monochrome Bitmaps, for the benefit of knowing how computers store digital images task sheet. This contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual questions. Complete all of these questions to become proficient. After which, you have the task of drawing some Space Invaders characters on a website called Piskel. This website is designed to draw pixel art. The website can be accessed at piskelapp.com.